Hey everyone, welcome to Run Run Deals, where we have the deals. If you're looking for a deal, you came to the right place. Let's check them out. I have some awesome things that I want to show you, but first go ahead and download the Run Run Deals app. Do it right now. All right, you all, you know I like to cook, but guess what? My time is limited now that I'm back at work. Teacher life. So I want to show you what I was able to get with a coupon from Run Run Deals. Check it out, Instant Pot. We're gonna go ahead and get into it. I wanna show you can cook these awesome meals right from this Instant Pot duo. Let's check it out. All right, you all, so let's check out this Instant Pot. I'm cooking dinner today. I'm making a little chicken soup. It says instant, so that means it's gonna be pretty quick to do this. I'm very excited. Let's go ahead and take a closer look. All right, so as you see, I already have my chicken in there, ready to get going. I'm gonna go ahead and put my noodles right on top. Along with my noodles, I'm gonna go ahead and get my chicken broth in there. Yes, the chicken's gonna make its own broth, but I like mine juicy. And also adding that heavy cream. I'm also going to put a can of cream of mushroom. You can put a can of cream of chicken and herbs, cream of celery, however you like your soup. Now I'm going to go for my seasons. A little garlic, a little table seasoning. Cajun, like my soup's a little spicy. All right, and to top it off, I'm gonna go ahead and put some carrots right in the mix, and we are done with that part. Once everything is in, I'm gonna go ahead and place the top right on. Should make a beep sound. Indicates that it's on. Very good. We're gonna go ahead and get it going. Check the steam out. It's doing its job. All right, it was time for the steam to go ahead and go. All right, so the little button right here went down. That indicates that it's ready. We're gonna look inside. Oh, look at that bubbleness, that bubbly goodness. As you can see, my noodles are nice and soft. My soup is getting nice and thick. My chicken is breaking, which is awesome. Shredding. Looking good. All right, so there you go. We have some nice soup in minutes. Instant Pot. I'm loving it. Let's check it out. The possibilities are endless with Run Run Deals. They have everything that you want and need. Make sure you're going to the category part and putting exactly what you want, and there you'll have it. Coupons for days. With that being said, why wouldn't you do it?